Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into Velo Bank app on your iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the Velo Bank app. Unlock your iPhone and tap on the Velo mobile banking app. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Login screen appears. When the app opens, the login screen will appear. You can log in using Face ID or Touch ID or your mobile PIN depending on your settings. Step 3. Log in with Face ID or Touch ID. If biometric login is enabled, simply look at your phone or place your finger on the sensor. The app will securely confirm your identity. Step 4. Login with PIN code. If biometrics are not enabled, enter your Velo Bank mobile PIN on the screen. Make sure no one else can see your PIN while entering it. Step 5. Successfully log in. After logging in, you will be taken to the home screen where you can view your account balance, credit cards, payments, and recent transactions. Step 6. Security tip and help. For your security, never share your PIN or phone with others. If you have trouble logging in, tap forward PIN or contact Velo Bank customer support directly through the app. And that's how you can log in into Velo Bank app on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.